Good afternoon, guys. It's Miss Crawford. It's the weekend, but I'm recording my good thing. I want to try to do that every week so we can kind of stay connected in that way. My good thing is that I think I have figured out a way for us to still have a live gym kit game with the vocabulary that you should be learning this week. I'm going to try to figure that out, and I'm going to speak with your other teachers to make sure that there's not a live session that they have going on at the same time so that we can all play together. But I also want to try to, while we're at home during this time, share a little bit more about myself. I feel like I share quite a bit about myself with you guys, but some things that I have here at home that you don't necessarily get to see at school. And something that a lot of people don't know about me is that I collect Barbie dolls. So I want to show you one of my favorites. This is, if you remember when we did our, I think we were talking about Hidden Figures and I guess during Black History Month, but this is the Katherine Johnson Barbie doll. So she's a Barbie signature, a part of the Inspiring Women series. And she's got her pink dress on there, because I've told you all that she is a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, which is also my sorority. And here she's got, the glasses. You may be wondering why I wear like the cat eye glasses. That's because Katherine Johnson has cat eye glasses. I don't know if you guys know this. But that's her NASA badge right there. And then like her little NASA pin on her lapel and her belt and stuff there. And I'm getting a little glare from my screen, but that's Katherine Johnson. I have two of these. So this is the one that I chose to show you guys, and I'll show you a different Barbie doll every week, some of my favorite Barbie dolls that I have here at my house. But anyway, that's my good thing. If you want to share a good thing for this week, as always, put it in the Seesaw class, and I'll post it for your classmates to see. I miss you guys. Something else I do want to mention that Ms. Reed has just told us that we will begin taking grades on the things that you're submitting. So please try your best as you're doing your assignments. As always, I miss you guys. Virtual hug. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.